Hey guys, welcome back. I got my stuff to hook up the mister system, finally. I was waiting for some fittings from China. They ended up being the wrong size fittings. So I went up to Lowe's on my lunch break one day this past week. I found a shark bite fitting I believe is going to work. It's standard measurements, 3/8 by 1/4. Now the line I got from Orbitz is 3/8, and the 1/4-inch side is real close to the 8mm Chinese mister hose. So we're going to see how that works. So this is how the mister system is currently working. I know it's full bright on sun right now. Hopefully I can get you at an angle there. See that? All the way down and around. Now this pump is going to boost up the pressure from, say, 50 psi on average is what you get from city water, up all the way up to 160 psi. So it should make a big difference. Right now they're kind of little tiny water droplets, but that pump is going to make that spray into almost like a vapor, is what I'm hoping. At least that's some samples that I found online. The sun's finally coming out this afternoon. It was cloudy all morning. And here's what we got to work with today. This is our boosting pump right here out of the box. Here's our extra Orbit flexible tubing. Here's our hose fitting. Now the Orbit, this is a quick fit, kind of like a shark bite. That'll connect into there, and then this is going to screw right onto this spot here. So this is coming off, and we're going to have the bigger line going in. And then here's the shark bite fitting I told you about, 3/8 to 1/4 inch. So we've got to go from this 3/8 hose to this hose right here, which is about 1/4 inch with that shark bite fitting. So let me get this stuff hooked up. We'll come back and see how it does. Stay tuned. Now this says in and out. These plugs have to be removed first. You got to take these little round clips out so that you can push this sleeve in and release that plug. Try not to break them, they're only plastic. Push that sleeve in and pull the plug out. Same way you do the hose. So I need to have some of this going into here. Hopefully this works out right. Push that in there, and it's tight one way. Works good, guys. Okay, I'm going to have that go over there. I'm going to keep enough of this line, have the pump located. Make it about this long here. Now this is going to be going in from the water hold this sleeve out, or no, push the sleeve in, that's right. Push that in, and it goes in one way, won't come out. Okay, so that's our supply line right there, guys. Let's go ahead and put this safety ring back in so it doesn't release that. Works great. Now we need our shark bite fitting. Hope this works. Okay, and it's going to go, this 3/8 is going to go into here. Goes in, won't come out. And then we'll need some of this. Say about this much here. Alright, now I'm going to go cut off that line over there. I got to turn the misters off first with the Smart app. Go ahead and hit the stop button there. And they're going off, guys. Just turned them off. Now we got to unhook this here. Where is it? Right there. Unscrew this. I'm going to cut this line off, and then we're going to go connect that to this shark bite fitting in right here. And then that's going to go into there. Okay guys, I got it all hooked up. The misting pump is working. It's very quiet too. It's on right now, as a matter of fact. It's just a light, dull hum. So it's not going to interfere with your talking out on the patio or anything once this is off into a corner. So far guys, it looks like it is coming out faster. Not as I imagined it would be, but I'm happy. It is coming out pretty strong now. Oh, there's a squirrel up there. Up on the roof there. The dogs are waiting for it. There he is. Okay guys, so it's coming out. It's coming out very strong now. That's with the 160 PSI pressure on that orbit pump. Now it's shooting down a little bit further to the patio area, if you can see there. It was only going to about this height, about halfway. And now a lot of it's reaching down towards the patio. Now we'll see. I'm going to go ahead and turn the Mr. Pump off. I actually connected a smart power plug to it as well. Works with you know, your Echo devices. So we're going to watch as I power this off. Let's see if there's some wind hitting it right now. Let's shoot this way. Less sun. Echo, turn off Mr. Pump. It just stopped, see? So it just doesn't come out with as much strength as it was, but you get like full power of the water coming out of those jets now. So guys, what do you think? Are you guys going to set up your own misting system out on your patio this summer? It sure does help being out here and working on this thing and having these going. You feel the cool breeze come in with some of that mist coming at you, and it gives you like a little bit of relief, a break from that sun, the heat just beating down all day long. And I do recommend the misting systems, especially if you're in Arizona or somewhere in middle United States where it's a little bit drier. It does work here in Florida, cools down with all the little bit of breeze you get in here, but it is humid here in Florida. And this is adding some humidity, but it's cool humidity coming in at you. So guys, thanks again for watching another one of my videos on the home misting system for your patio. And guys, I'll see you on the next one.